So both of you, welcome to Real Estate Icon Awards and Conclave.
So you have to not welcome him. He's had the award.
But I'm the host, he's the owner, so I really would like to welcome you. What you would like to say that what makes you different from other real estate companies?
एके प्रॉपर्टी सॉल्यूशन डिफरेंट है क्योंकि इसमें हर उस बात का ख्याल रखा गया जो कंपनी और कस्टमर्स को लगातार रियल एस्टेट के काम करने में आती है। 1.5 साल की कड़ी मेहनत के बाद इस एप्लीकेशन में वो हर एक सुविधाएं और फीचर्स रखी गई है जो रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री की सारी प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व कर देगी।
I have a question for you. It's been so many years, you are so resilient and still looking so beautiful. What makes you, different and so resilient in this industry? What qualities do you have, sir?
I think self-confidence, the faith in yourself, that being different is what makes you stand out, not following the norm, and having faith in God and yourself. And of course, the love of my amazing audiences forever. Thank you.
Sir, I have this question for you. As you yourself said on stage, there are 75,000 associates are associated with you. What makes you so popular among them? जो आपके साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, आपकी जो इतनी लोकप्रियता है, उसका क्या राज है?
मेहनत, हार्ड वर्क।
So hard work, as ma'am said and as sir said, hard work is very important, guys.
And of course, Destiny supports because he's doing a good thing. I'm doing a good thing. I think so. God helps people who do good.
I've seen your house, I've seen your collection of bags, I've seen your collection of shoes. So I know that you are an investor. What are the qualities you look? What are the factors you look in before investing in anything?
Durability, good quality, functionality, and of course, it has to make you happy. Right? That's what his properties do as well.
You used to have a restaurant as well, so you are an entrepreneur as well. So many talents. How come you have all in one package?
I don't know. I'm blessed by God. I think that's all. Thank you.
You're multi-talented and God gifted. Sir, I would like to know this app, how this app is going to help all the people who are, looking for properties, the builder who are trying to sell their properties. There are so many applications which are already available in the market. How this app is different from all those applications?
वेरिफिकेशन, क्योंकि दूसरी किसी भी एप्लीकेशन में ना ही प्रॉपर्टी वेरीफाइड होती है, ना ही बिल्डर वेरीफाइड होता है, ना ही सेल्स एजेंट वेरीफाइड होता है। मगर एके प्रॉपर्टी सॉल्यूशन में कंपनीज वेरीफाइड हैं, एजेंट्स वेरीफाइड हैं, प्राइस वेरीफाइड है एंड कस्टमर वेरीफाइड है। और जो सबसे बड़ी बात, दूसरे हम किसी भी एप्लीकेशन पे कोई भी प्रॉपर्टी को सर्च करते हैं, इतने अननेसेसरी फोन कॉल आते हैं जिससे एक कस्टमर परेशान होता है। हमारे एप्लीकेशन में इस बात का भी ध्यान रखा गया कि हम कस्टमर को अननेसेसरी फोन कॉल नहीं सर्व करें।
So of course, so you are saying that everything on this platform is verified, documentation उनके check हो चुके हैं, तो आप आधी problem जो customers की होती है वो आपने sort कर दिया है यहाँ पे. You are an icon in film industry, you are an icon in real estate. So what do you think? What are the qualities which makes a person icon and different from others?
You want to answer that?
हार्ड वर्क एंड काम के लिए डेडिकेशन।
I'll have answers from both of you.
Well, I think definitely hard work, like I said, dedication, God ka sahara, destiny ka sahara, love of people. And when you deliver good work, people have faith in you.
अपने काम के लिए डेडिकेशन, हार्ड वर्क और काम से शिद्दत वाला प्यार।
Thank you.
Thank you so much.